This 2019 Jayco JAYFEATHER 23 RBM is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 27 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, slide-out, leveling jacks, microwave, spare tire kit, skylight, DVD player, stove-top burner, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, external shower, and 42-gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, Murphy bed, rear bath, rear dinette, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Jayco JAYFEATHER 23 RBM is 5,040 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.